Hello everyone, my name is Mitesh. I'm 11 years old this year. I've been playing Roblox for about 3 years. My favorite game in Roblox is Tower of Defense Simulator, TDS for short. I really enjoy TDS because it's pretty fun and entertaining. My favorite troop in TDS is the mortar. I like the mortar because it can fire bombs from its cannon, which deal a lot of damage. It's also really easy to put it at the start. The best moment I have in this game is when I defeat Fallen mode with my friends. Fallen mode is the hardest mode in this game and it requires a lot of strength to defeat it. You need to be really strong and you need to have some certain troops in order to defeat Fallen mode. Would I tell my friends about this game? Yes, I would. I would tell them about this game is because so I can play Tower of Defense Simulator with them and I can defeat them easily. Also, they can help me to defeat Fallen mode, and if you defeat Fallen mode, you will get a lot of points and levels, which will help you get more troops. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to support me. Also like the video. And if you want to see me play a Minecraft series, I will be starting one soon. It will be very fun, so be sure to watch that. I'll be playing survival mode normal. So I guess that's it for today. Bye.